In 5, simplify expressions involving rational exponents, part 1, and in 6 will be part 2. And so on this one, it's pretty much just a review of N3, and along with N2. So let's see what we can, undo, and load that up. Okay, here we are. So we are dividing here. If we're dividing, then we do what to our exponents? We subtract. So we have W to the 3 over 7 minus 12 over 7. Since I have a common denominator of 7, 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Since the exponent is negative, we want to make it positive. So we will take it to the bottom. Okay. On this one, we have S to the 5 over 4 minus a negative 13 over 5. What happens when you minus a negative? You're actually adding. What's the common denominator between 5 and 4? 20. So what do you multiply 4 by to get 20? 5. So we multiply the top by 5 and get 25. What do we multiply 5 by to get 20? 4. So we multiply that by 4 and get 52. And 25 plus 52 is 77. 77 and over 20 do not reduce. So that's going to be your answer. Okay. So on these, you got to think about what you're doing. Here is a division. Here is a multiplication. What do you do to your exponents whenever you're multiplying? You add them. What do you do to your exponents whenever you're dividing? You subtract them. There's a couple of different ways that we could go about doing these problems. Don't really know if you want me to show you both of them, and I probably won't. What I'm going to do is do it step by step, but if you watch this video all the way through and you want to know the other way of doing it, it is a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to make sure that you understood what to do to begin with. So we have multiplying on top, and then there's just something singular on bottom. So we're going to do the multiplying first. So we're going to put y to the negative 1 plus negative 11 over 6. We're going to put those together, and I'm going to keep the y to the 5 over 3 just for a little bit longer. And so I'm going to put that 1 over 1 because I'm not using a calculator to add my fractions. And so the common denominator between 1 and 6 is 6. So that would be a negative 6, and a negative 6 and a negative 11 is negative 17. And then we're going to bring this y to the 5 over 3 to down the bottom. And then we're going to bring that 5 over 3 up and subtract. And then we have 6 as a common denominator, which would be 2, which would be 10. Negative 27, we don't like negative exponents, so we're going to bring it down to the bottom. And there we are, we have one more. This time, we're going to leave the 5 over 2 on top and put the ones on bottom together. 1 plus 3 is 4 over 2. And then I'm going to subtract 4 over 2 to the top. And 5 minus 4 is 1, so it's 1/2. 1/2 is positive, so it's not going to go to the bottom. So you're going to be finished. Have fun.